The Senjoki Nongsen Sharshnang, Kabri Uhin Nutrep, SNSBH, and Senjoki Rangbakur, Kabri Uhin Nutrep, SRKBH on Friday submitted a joint memorandum to Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong, urging the state government to reconsider the KHADC Land Administration Amendment Bill 2026. The memorandum submitted following the advice of Governor Shri C.H. Vijaya Shankar raised concerns over the constitutional authority of traditional institutions, protection of indigenous land rights and preservation of customary governance under the 6th schedule. SNSBH Secretary and SRKBH spokesperson R.L. Blah urged the government to request the governor to withhold assent to the bill and return it for reconsideration, particularly over the omission of Section 16. The delegation maintained that Section 16, which provides for consultation with traditional authorities on land ceiling provisions, is vital to the functioning of institutions such as the Darbar Shnang, Darbar Raij and Darbar Hima. Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong recalled that the original legislation was the outcome of extensive consultations and deliberations involving various stakeholders. Delegation member Robert June Kajarian said the legislation had undergone nearly 2 years of deliberations before being finalized. The Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister assured the delegation that the concerns would be examined thoroughly before any further course of action is taken.
With the traditional clan organization, the Sanjok Kirangbakur, Kabri most respectfully submit this memorandum for your kind consideration and necessary intervention.